Hi guys, this is me Muhammad Umar, a rescuer from Mysore. I was in one of the farm here and I've got a call from Vijayanagar second stage reporting there's a snake inside the nursery. So let's find out what snake we have there, and once reaching I'll continue the video. So this is launch 29 and here's the nursery. We have a snake situation inside. So let's see what snake we have there. And they stated they have covered it with the pots like this on the snake. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇದಾ? ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾರು? ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು?
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
ಓ, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಲಗಿತ್ತು ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಪಾಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರ? ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು? ಹೌದಾ? So they have spotted a snake, and once they spotted, they somehow managed to cover this. Okay, poor boy, it's wolf snake. Okay, it's in a defense. It's gonna bite me when I handle. ತೋಳದ ಹಾವು, ಉಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಷ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ತೋಳದ ಹಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಾನ್ ವೆನಮಸ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫೀಡ್ ಆನ್ ಲಿಸರ್ಡ್. ಮತ್ತು ನಿಶಾಚಾರಿ ಹಾವಿದು, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಬಿಪಿನ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಪಿನ್ ಸರ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನರ್ಸರಿ. And here we have a very quite bushy area, and the owner of the nursery, he told me to release it here. So at least not in their plot, at least in the next plot they are at least saying yes to release the snake animal. So they do not survive when we leave it very far places. So it's better that we release in the nearest location. And so that's the reason I will ask in many of my videos you might have seen that I ask people, can I release the snake in your property or next to your property if it is open like this. So he agreed. When we explain about the snake, when we tell about its non-harm thing, like it's non-venomous, so people try to understand, and that is how step by step we can save these creatures. So here it is. Back to nature. Back to home. So guys, that's it for a day. And if you guys like the video, like the content, then do follow me and share it with your friends and family, and also put your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in the next coming videos.